In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a form to your card site. We'll walk through getting into your card editor, finding the right place to add elements, and unlocking the forms feature so you can collect messages, sign-ups, or feedback directly on your site. First, open your browser and head to card.co. If you already have a site, you'll see it listed when you sign in. If you're in the middle of a build, you can pick up where you left off. To start editing, look for the pencil icon. It's the shortcut that opens your chosen site in the editor, where you can move things around, change text, and add new sections. Click that pencil and you'll land in Card's clean visual editing interface. Inside the editor, you'll notice a small plus icon. This is your gateway to adding content. Click the plus icon and a panel will appear with available elements like text, images, buttons, and more. This is where forms live as well, but here's an important note. The forms element is available only with a pro plan. If you don't see it or can't add it, that's why. To use forms, make sure you're subscribed to Card Pro. Upgrading unlocks the forms element along with other helpful features, and it's designed for exactly this kind of functionality. Once you've subscribed, come back to the editor, click the plus icon again, and add the forms element. You'll be able to drop it onto your page wherever it makes the most sense, often near a contact section, a call to action, or at the end of a landing page. From there, it's time to customize. Rename your fields to match your goal, like name, email, and message, and remove any fields you don't need so the form stays focused. Adjust placeholders to guide visitors on what to type. Set certain fields as required to prevent incomplete submissions. Update the button text to something clear like send or request access, and tweak colors, fonts, and spacing so the form matches your site's style. Most importantly, review the form's behavior, choose a success message that confirms the submission worked, and make sure any notifications or confirmations you want are clearly communicated to your visitor. As you customize, use the editor's preview to check how everything looks on desktop and mobile, ensuring the form remains readable and easy to tap on smaller screens. That's it. By opening Card, editing your site, using the plus icon to add elements, subscribing to Pro for the Forms feature, and customizing the form to your needs, you're all set to start capturing submissions right on your card site.